Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Baremetrics Subscription Analytics Review My Usage Experience. Baremetrics Subscription Analytics Review My Usage Experience offers subscription analytics for SaaS businesses. It helps you understand your subscription revenue, churn rate, and customer lifetime value. Key features include customizable dashboards, detailed reports, and integrations with popular billing platforms. Their website provides details on pricing plans and features. Baremetrics positions itself as a user-friendly solution for businesses of all sizes, focusing on ease of use and actionable insights. They highlight transparent pricing, with no hidden fees, and offer various plans to suit different needs. The service uses a cloud-based approach, ensuring accessibility from anywhere. Availability is worldwide, and you can check their website for the most up-to-date information. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Baremetrics Subscription Analytics Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. The onboarding process was straightforward, and I connected my Stripe account within minutes. The interface is intuitive and well-designed. I particularly like the ability to create custom dashboards to track specific metrics important to my business, such as monthly recurring revenue, MRR, and churn rate. The reports generated were comprehensive and easy to understand, helping me quickly identify trends and areas for improvement. The service performed flawlessly, data updates were near real-time, and I never experienced any downtime. I had a quick question about a specific metric and their support team responded within a day via email, very helpful. A standout feature for me was definitely the churn prediction model, providing insights into potential at-risk subscribers. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, but it's not a deal-breaker considering how often I access it from my desktop. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Baremetrics. It's a powerful tool that has significantly improved my understanding of my subscription business. That's my overview of Baremetrics Subscription Analytics Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.